Introducing a rare gem, a 1957 Ford F-100 custom cab short bed, priced at $9,000 and located in Atwater, California. This classic truck has undergone significant mechanical work, including a rebuilt 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. With new bearings, cooling and charging systems, and fresh tires and wheels, it runs and drives excellently. The original patina adds to its charm, and with only a 1-year production run, it's a collector's dream. While the title is missing, the truck starts on the first crank every time. Whether you're looking to restore it or cruise as is, this F-100 offers great potential. Serious buyers can contact the seller for more details and to arrange a viewing. Next, step back in time with this classic 1959 AMC Rambler, a true vintage gem that captures the essence of American automotive history. Featuring a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic push-button transmission, this sedan runs well with only 88,000 miles on the odometer. Though it smokes a bit when cold, it starts up every time. The exterior sports its original yellow paint, complemented by complete chrome details, minus one letter on the front grille. Inside, the interior appears to have been redone, providing added comfort. It holds a clean Tennessee title, making ownership hassle-free. While a small rust hole exists on the passenger side floorboard, the rest of the body remains solid, a testament to its New Mexico origins. The brakes need adjustment, but with a set of BF Goodrich whitewall tires included, this classic could easily be restored into a daily driver or a show-ready masterpiece. If you're looking for an eye-catching piece of history, this Rambler is waiting for you. For more details, check the full description and photos online. Up for grabs is a pristine 1957 Ford Ranch Wagon, priced attractively at $4,200. This classic beauty hails from Monterey Park, California, and boasts a powerful 5.2 L V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, giving true enthusiasts the driving experience they crave. With only 54,000 miles on the odometer, this wagon is in like-new condition and comes with a clean title, making it a solid investment for restoration lovers or collectors. The vivid red paint and rear-wheel drive layout add to its vintage charm. Whether you're seeking a weekend restoration project or a show-stopping collectible, this wagon's timeless appeal and included extra parts offer a great opportunity. For more details and to explore this classic further, check out the link in the description below. This 1956 Nash Metropolitan is a charming classic car with a 1.5 L 4-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. While it doesn't run, it rolls and presents a unique restoration opportunity. The car was stored since 2013 and comes with a clean title, though it will be sold on a bill of sale. Priced at $4,500, it's an affordable entry into classic car ownership. For more details, visit the link in the description. Next, this 1956 Ford Custom Line is a classic American coupe that has been thoughtfully restored and is now available for $9,500 in Harrisonville, Missouri. With only 85,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle features a new frame equipped with a Mustang front suspension, a newly installed engine, and a refreshed interior. The car also boasts new tires and wheels, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. The clean title status adds to its appeal, making it an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, please visit the listing link provided in the description. Introducing a classic project opportunity, a 1956 Ford F-100 custom pickup, available for $5,300 in Petaluma, California. This vintage truck boasts a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, offering a true driving experience. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in good condition and comes with a clean title. The original blue paint and interior add to its nostalgic charm. The engine turns over freely and feels like it has good compression. Previously used by a welder, it retains its original features, including the seat and instrument panel. The seller has addressed a rust issue in the floor with an AMD patch panel, ensuring durability. Whether you're looking to restore it to its former glory or make it your own, this F100 offers endless possibilities. Don't miss out on this chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details and photos, visit the link in the description below. Next, looking for a classic car with a timeless appeal? This 1959 Volkswagen Bug is a true gem, offering a perfect blend of vintage charm and mechanical simplicity. Priced at $10,000, this car is located in Clarkston, Washington, and comes with a clean title, ensuring a smooth ownership experience. The odometer reads 40,406 miles, and the car is in good condition, showing minimal wear and tear with no visible rust. The original 1,200 cubic centimeters engine is still under the hood, and while it currently isn't starting, it presents a great opportunity for a restoration project. The Bug is finished in a striking maroon/burgundy color, and it features a luggage rack that adds to its classic charm. Over the past 8 to 9 years, the car has undergone some minor maintenance, but there's potential for further improvements to bring it back to its former glory. With its iconic design and historical value, this Volkswagen Bug is a fantastic choice for both classic car enthusiasts and those looking to embark on a restoration journey. Whether you're planning to restore it to its original specifications or use it as a daily driver, this Bug offers endless possibilities. Visit the link in the description for more details and to connect with the seller. Don't miss out on this chance to own a piece of automotive history. Step back in time with this 1958 Chevy Apache Carryall, a rugged classic with restoration potential. Featuring its original body, frame, and suspension, this rare suburban-style SUV is equipped with a 500 Cadillac engine and a 400 Chevrolet automatic transmission, both fully rebuilt with 0 miles. The odometer reads 9,999,999, and it sports a rich brown exterior with an intact frame. While the body has some wear, this truck stands as an ideal restoration project. Its missing title adds a challenge, but for enthusiasts, this gem offers history on 4 wheels. Explore its potential and learn more about this vehicle in the description. Don't miss out on a chance to restore a piece of automotive heritage. Up for sale is a rare 1958 Pontiac Super Chief, a classic 4-door barn find in Bremerton, Washington. This Montana car features a solid 347 cubic inch engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and a 4-speed hydromatic automatic transmission. With only 75,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and sounds great. While the title is missing, the car comes with a bill of sale. Note that tires and wheels are not included. This car offers excellent restoration potential and is a real gem for collectors or enthusiasts who appreciate vintage American muscle. For full details and to explore this piece of automotive history, check out the description link. This 1959 Chevrolet Corvette C1 convertible is a true pro-built resto mod that combines classic Americana with modern muscle. With only 5,000 miles, this car features a powerful 499 horsepower Blueprint 396-stroker small block engine and a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, offering both smooth acceleration and aggressive power. It also has upgraded Wilwood disc brakes and a performance-tuned suspension for superior handling. The stunning red exterior is complemented by a meticulously refinished chrome finish, while the retro-style Dakota digital gauges and modern retro sound stereo system bring both vintage charm and modern convenience to the interior. Perfect for those who love the nostalgia of the Corvette with the performance of modern engineering, this car is a standout on the road. Don't miss the chance to own this one-of-a-kind beauty. Visit the link in the description for more details. Attention classic car enthusiasts. Here's your chance to own a slice of automotive history. A 1959 Chevy Impala project car bursting with potential. This iconic sedan, located in Victorville, California, is priced at $7,000 OBO and awaits a passionate restorer. While sold as a rolling body without its original V8 engine or transmission, it retains period-correct features like an automatic transmission configuration and distinctive black exterior paint. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, and despite its salvage designation, it boasts a clean title, a crucial advantage for rebuilders. Significant rust and missing components demand attention, but included elements like the seats and remnants of its original red interior provide valuable reference points. Imagine transforming this mid-century marvel into a show-stopping cruiser or a custom build with 1950s flair. For collectors, its historical significance as a second-generation Impala, the model that cemented Chevy's performance legacy, adds undeniable appeal. Whether you're drawn to its jet-inspired tail fins, its role in American car culture, or the satisfaction of rescuing a classic, this project offers boundless opportunities. Ready to take on the challenge? Visit the link in our video description to explore detailed photos and start your restoration journey. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own and revive a true automotive legend. Act now before this piece of Chevrolet history finds its forever garage. Introducing a rare gem from the past. The 1956 Dodge short bed truck. Priced at just $2,700 and located in Montclair, California, this classic pickup boasts a flathead 6-cylinder engine, a manual 4-speed transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has undergone professional bodywork, and the engine has been rebuilt but never fired. A perfect project for restoration or customization into a roaring hot rod. Its clean title ensures a smooth transfer, while its clamshell hood adds to its vintage appeal. While the carb and starter are missing due to storage issues, this truck offers an amazing opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Whether you're looking to restore it or turn it into something truly unique, this Dodge truck is worth checking out. For more details, visit the description in the video and explore this classic before it's gone. Looking for a restoration project with history? This 1959 Chevy 3100 half-ton short bed truck is waiting for a new owner to bring it back to life. Featuring a 6-cylinder engine and manual floor shift transmission, this classic beauty has been sitting for over 30 years. With an odometer reading of 50,000 miles, the truck is in fair condition and will require a total restoration. Although the title is missing, it does come with a VIN tag, ensuring its identity. A solid New Mexico truck, this vintage Chevy holds incredible potential for collectors and restoration enthusiasts alike. If you're ready to take on a rewarding build, check out the full details in the description. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Step into the past with this classic 1959 Chevrolet Impala sedan, now available in San Francisco, California. This timeless beauty comes with a rebuilt small block engine and a smooth 700R4 overdrive transmission, though it requires some linkage work before hitting the road. With only 6,500 miles on the odometer and a clean title in hand, this piece of automotive history offers immense restoration potential. While the driver's floor shows some rust and small bubbles in the quarter panels, the trunk and rest of the body remain solid. The interior is in good condition, making this an excellent foundation for a full restoration or custom build. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a rare project or a collector chasing nostalgia, this '59 Impala promises vintage appeal and investment potential. Visit the provided description for more details on this incredible find. Don't miss your chance to own a slice of automotive history. Here's a classic 1959 Chevy Apache long bed truck, offered at $3,500 in Phoenix, Arizona. This vintage vehicle features a 6-cylinder engine, though it's currently not running, and shows 111,111 miles on the odometer. The truck has solid metal panels with minor rust typical for its age, and a clean title. With its rare fleet side bed and big back window, this Chevy is a fantastic candidate for restoration enthusiasts or collectors who appreciate its historical value. To explore more details and see photos, check the link in the description. Presenting a 1954 Ford Truck F100 project, perfect for classic truck enthusiasts ready for a restoration journey. This vintage vehicle comes without an engine or transmission but features a solid 1954 stock chassis with a 55 grille. The odometer reads 123,456 miles. It has some rust at the cab corners and holds a clean title status, making it a promising restoration candidate. Located in Bakersfield, California, this truck offers a unique opportunity to rebuild a classic piece of automotive history. Interested buyers are encouraged to check the description link for more pictures and detailed information about this rare find. Don't miss the chance to own and restore a legendary 1954 Ford truck.